Check this out. This guy is a genius. He turned a manual wheelbarrow into an electric one. The idea first came up just so he could save some energy while hauling stuff. Now let me break down how he did it. To make this idea actually work, he got all the parts ready first, including a tub, some wheels, a frame and a scrap bike. First he welded the wheels to the frame using angle iron, so the wheels are attached to the frame. Next he grabbed the tub, fit it into place, and welded it onto the beam between the wheels. He secured one side of the tub first, then lifted the other side of the frame to make the front and back level. Then he put a steel pipe under the tub and added some wood. He got 2 springs ready and hooked one on each side of the tub. The other end of the springs connected to bolts welded on the frame. That gives the tub some shock absorption, so later when using it, bumpy roads won't be a problem. After securing the 2 springs, he took out the pipe and wood. Next he brought over the scrap bike frame and welded it facing the tub on the other side of the frame. Then he put a tire on the bike's front fork so it can roll on the ground. He made sure it was tight and added 2 steel pipes at the edge so the driver's area can hold an adult's weight. He then extended a bottom frame outward and added small wheels at the bottom corners for extra support. Next he ran a wire from a tire under the tub to connect to a homemade brake to stop the wheel. He sprayed the whole thing blue to make it look fresh. Then he put in 4 batteries and grabbed an e-bike controller. He zip-tied it to the beam under the seat and connected the battery wires to the controller, making sure everything worked so power could flow through the system. The last key part was the throttle. He attached it as a grip on the handlebar for easy control. Then he connected the throttle wires to the controller. When powered on, he could twist the throttle and make the wheel spin fast. So this creative ride was done. It's basically an upgraded wheelbarrow, still mainly used for hauling. It doesn't hold more stuff, but since you don't have to push it, it saves a lot of energy and going back and forth. The work gets done way faster. So on a scale from 1 to 100, what would you give this guy for his creative build?